Hey guys, today we're going to look at solving the variable, solving for a variable and multivariable equation, otherwise known as isolating variables in most multivariable equations. So let's review quickly basic solving one variable. When solving an equation with one variable, we're asked to simplify both sides and rewrite the equation as a variable by itself on one side and a number on the other side. So in this case, let's first simplify. If you notice, we can combine the 3 and the 5 on the left to 11, and we combine the 2x and the negative 4x, you get negative 2x on the right. Then let's move all of the x's to the left side. So we have 5x, and we're going to add 2 more x to get 7x. And at the same time, let's move all of the constants to the right side. So we get 11 minus, negative 12 minus another 11 gives you negative 23. Finally, we had 7x equals negative 23. Let's divide both sides by 7 in order to get x equals, when we get x equals negative 23 over 7. The method for solving with two variables is exactly the same. You isolate the variable in question on one side of the equal sign. That's it. That's what we did last time. That's what we did this time. The only difference is the answer won't simply be a number, but will be an expression that includes all of the variables, the other ones. The variable you solve for is called the dependent variable, since it depends on the other variables for its value. The other ones are called the independent variables, since their values must be given. So let's see what we have here. Let's solve 3x plus y minus 18 equals 2x minus 6 plus 4x for x. Notice it tells you what to solve for. In this case, we're solving it for x. We could also be told to solve for y, and that would give us a different answer, obviously. So we need to isolate all of the x's on one side. So first of all, let's write the equation down. You copy it correctly. Then let's simplify the 2x and the 4x on the right. So 2x plus 4 more x equals 6x. So now we have the more simplified version. Let's subtract the 6x's from both sides to combine the x's on the left. You can do it either way. You want to do it with the negative, combine on the right. It doesn't matter. Let's combine over on the left. We're going to subtract 6x from both sides. And you notice we get negative 3x plus y minus 18 equals negative 6. Okay? Now we have to get the everything that's not an x over to the right side. So we're going to subtract y and add 18 to both sides to isolate the x's on the left. So minus y plus 18. Notice that's the opposite of plus y minus 18. So those variables will cancel out on the left side. And on the right side, you can combine the negative 6 and 18 to get positive 12. Okay, so you have negative 3x equals negative y plus 12. Now finally, we just need to divide both sides by negative 3 to get the x by itself. And so negative y divided by negative 3 is positive y divided by 3, or 1/3 y. Either one's the same. And then you have positive 12 divided by negative 3 gives you a negative 4. So the answer is x equals y thirds minus 4. And notice here that the x is the dependent variable here. The y is the independent variable. So if y equals 3, then you would have 3 over 3 equals 1 minus 4 equals negative 3. So x would equal negative 3 when y equals 3. When y equals 12, then it would be x would equal 0. So 12 over 3 equals 4 minus 4 equals 0. Get the idea? Very good. Have a good one, and I hope this was helpful.